guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome as your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on YouTube. And today is Mother's Day, so I decided to do a eye makeup tutorial based off my mom's favorite color. So I created this red eyeshadow look because her favorite color is red. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. If you're interested in seeing how I got this red eye makeup look, make sure to stick around. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button for more future content from me, and give this video a big thumbs up to show your support. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this red eyeshadow look. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And then I'm going to throw on a little bit of the Jack Black Lip Balm. And for today's look, I'm going to be using the UOMA Beauty Black Magic Palette. I'll give you guys a close-up of this one. Alright, then next I'm going to prime my lids with some concealer. This is the Morphe concealer in the shade C3.25. And then I'm going to buff that out with a Morphe M173. And then to create today's look, I'm going to be using the UOMA Beauty Black Magic Palette. She just looks like so. And then the first color I'm going to go in with is, I think it's Oya. It's going to be this shade right here with a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M504, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease area. So I just took this Oya shade and blended that into my crease, and then above that as well. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with Warrior, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to go in with a Morphe M433. And I'm just going to tap into that Warrior shade and then pack that in my outer corner. And then I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and just pop a little bit of Oya on that and just blend all of that kind of out together. And then to deepen my outer corner, I'm going to pop a little bit of the black, y'all. I'm just gonna put that with a little bullet brush, and this is, I don't know what this is another Morphe brush, but my number's rubbed off. But it's just a little bullet brush, and I'm just gonna pack that right in this corner here. Also just gonna drag that out a little bit. And then I'm just going to pack a little bit more Warrior. And kind of blend that black into it. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer and then do kind of like a half cut crease type situation. And to do that, I'm just using a Morphe M167. And then I'm going to go in with Sheetor, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to use my finger to pack that over that concealer. And then to just really get in those corners, I'm going to take a Morphe M213, just grab a little bit more Sheetor and just kind of pack that a little more precisely. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M433 and go back in with a little bit of Warrior and just kind of blend that at the edge of like where the glitter and the matte meet. And then just for good measure, we're just going to go back in and just blend. And then I'm just going to go back in with my Morphe concealer. And then I'm blending that out using a beauty sponge. And then to set the concealer, I'm going to be using a combo of the Morphe Bacon Set Powder in Banana and the Dermablend Powder in Saffron, Warm Saffron. And then I'm going to apply that using the beauty sponge as well. And for those wondering why I'm using a combination of these two powders, it's because the Warm Saffron is too dark for an under eye area. It's more of like my overall face powder, and that's actually what I do use for an overall face powder. And then the Morphe powder is just too light. So I combine them to get a shade that works. And then I always like to kind of like put some powder on the side of my nose because this area tends to get a little shiny. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye. The first shade I'm going to go on with is Oya, which was that brighter red shade. And I'm just going to pop that along my lower lash line. And then going in with that same bullet brush, I'm going to go into the darker red, which is Warrior, and I'm going to keep that on the outer part of my lower lash line, and then kind of like blend that out into the upper eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Dermablend Warm Saffron Powder. I just like to go ahead and do all of my powder products before doing my mascara or my eyeliner because I typically will set my face. Wait, does that make any sense? I don't think it did. What I was trying to say is I like to do all my powders and then set my face before doing my eyeliner and mascara. Next, I'm going to bronze my face using the Cover FX bronzer, as per usual. And I'm using a Morphe M530 to apply that. And then for blush, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush in Mojave Mauve. If you guys haven't seen my video where I swatch these and kind of review them, definitely check that out. I'll leave it linked in the description box below as well as in a card for you. Next, I'm going to highlight using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Highlighter in the shade Risque. And now I'm just going in with my Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner, lashes, and brows off camera, and then I will return for lips and the final look. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my lashes, liner, and brows off camera. For liner, I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner as per usual, as well as the Anastasia Dip Brow for my brows. I did, however, try a new lash today. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Lashes in garters. So these are way more dramatic than anything I've ever worn before, but I think they are so pretty, and I really think they just like kind of bring this look all together. But yeah, I definitely dig these. They look a little dramatic in the package, but they're really pretty on. So I did go ahead and do my lips as well. I went in with MAC's Jubilee, which is just a nice, just nude lipstick. I figured I have a dramatic eye going on, so I might as well do a simple lip. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little red eyeshadow tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. Happy Mother's Day to all my mothers out there, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.